Now let's take a look at duplicate border. For this one, I'm going to press at the same time Shift and Control and select this face. Once I select that face, I run duplicate border and here we go. I get all the border on that top face. And this is closed, and every single one of those polygons are closed. So be aware that if we select duplicate border and we select a solid, press enter, nothing is going to happen. That's why I have this open surface over here, or poly open surface, and we can select, look what it says, select surface, poly surface, subdies, meshes, etc. I can select this one, press enter, and I get those borders. So that's why I had to press Shift and Control to select the single face.